MIT engineers just dropped a breakthrough, a 3D printed micro device that builds microscopic smart pills layer by layer.
A micro device that shoots 3 different liquids at once to build smart pills layer by layer. Meet the triaxial electrospray, an engineering marvel slightly larger than a penny. Hidden inside is a precision array of 16 microscopic nozzles, firing in perfect unison. Internal helical microchannels carry 3 distinct fluids, maintaining uniform pressure. The magic happens here. An electric field pulls the liquid into a perfect Taylor cone. Three layers emerge simultaneously into a single microscopic droplet. For months, the challenge was stability. The structure would collapse under its own weight. The breakthrough? The viscosity of the middle liquid is the key to keeping the layers stable.
The middle layer acts as a structural bridge, anchoring the medicine deep in the core.
With this discovery, we can now manufacture millions of identical multi-stage pills. Once swallowed, the journey into the human body begins. The outer shell dissolves in the stomach, protecting the core from the harsh, acidic environment. The middle layer then erodes, precisely timing the release as it reaches the intestines. The core medicine is delivered exactly where it's needed, hitting the target at the source. This could change how we treat everything from chronic pain to digestive diseases.
What medical condition should we target first? Let me know and subscribe for more.